Yo, Mzansi, I'm back with another banger. I'm back at it, mtanami. This is King Ginger TV, and it's a #1 show. Home Affairs, mtanami. Izindaba zasekhaya angisakufuni. You know, it's over. Mina nje, I bring people here to just break up. It's about that time, Mzansi. I want to set you free. If you're in a relationship and you feel like you are stuck, ubambekile ngathi hayi khuluma nami ngizokuqondisela yona ngizoyichopha nje kahle njengesiza ichopha something very light like a paper. King Ginger cream de la cream umlomo ongathethi mangake lona bafethu mawusuyibikile inkinga zakho kimi nami ngeke ngenze sure ukuthi ngiyamsiza umuntu okhalayo njengamanje wengizwe ukuthi khala bani akwengiyosabela. Let's go Chris. Hey yo, it's your boy King Ginger cream de la cream. Welcome to Antisafufuni. On this show is where I give people a platform to break up. No way, breaking up now. What made you go to Why the people that? Why the people? Why the people of the China? Why was not surprised? I acho que vai pelchesa mkulu. Hayi, acho que vai pelchesa. Inkinga usekhathele isene. We are back at it, Mzansi. As you all know, King Ginger cream de la cream is about to deliver something delicious. My sister Palela, King Ginger, I have problems and I need your help. I'm in a relationship, but I'm in a relationship. So it's a good relationship, your relationship. Phakathi kwi relationship, and it's a relationshiping. I'm chopping, I understand that lot. Nama ngi understand kodwa ngithe awuthi ngishaye ibhasi lakithi. Lele linamabhande abomvu. Kwengiyomlanda ngizwe ukuthi zithini. Awumngenise welcome. As you all know, I'm not alone. Welcome James. Sisiwami njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Sicela igama.
Ulevhang, the baddest bitch in the block.
Oh, the baddest. I Lebogang. I love the energy. The baddest bitch in the block. Yes. What's going on? Ukwenzani umjolo Lebogang kwenzakalani njengoba ungibhalele uthi nisufuna ukudampa abantu manje?
Apparently ngifuna ukudampa uAaron because I can't anymore.
Niba ngani wena noAaron because uAaron phela umuntu wakho. So senibangani kangaka njengoba usufuna ukumdampa?
It's because ngithanda umngane wakhe.
Kanjani manje?
Kahle like umngane wakhe unemali, umngane wakhe umuhle nje uyachama. Ukudlula yena I wish like ngimithe
umngane wakhe
qala.
Shit. Imaki. Yini ubuyithanda kuAaron? Manithathana ungakamboni umngane wakhe.
Ukuthi uyarapper.
Oh, umrap.
Yeah, in the studio.
In the studio.
Yes.
So nukuye studio sakhe.
Yeah, that's where I actually met his friend.
The real one ke manje.
Yes.
So the real friend yena yini le ayenza better than Aaron? Uyachama.
Imali, like imali. Ongena mali yasala.
I live mana I live yangibula. So Lebo, sengesikhathi singakanani nothandana nomngane wakhe? Ubani umngane wakhe?
uJunior.
Wena nesikhathi uthanda noJunior?
It's been 4 months.
4 months.
Yeah. So
nimpihlela lo. Angisakhona noJunior naye uyavuma ukuthi ikhipheni le ndaba.
Yeah. Because sifuna uposta manje.
noJunior naye uyarap.
Yeah, babangani nje.
Oh, babangani.
Yeah, ngithanda ama rapper vele. You know, I'm a bit nama rapper.
Yeah, they go along.
Yeah.
Sure. Shit. Shoo. Manje awumfethu. So awusamfuni. So ufuna ukumtshela manje?
Yeah, Shapka vibe.
Shapka vibe.
Yeah.
Okay. Ngizomehlisa ke ebhasini. As you all know, akazi ukuthi usombizo uzomdamba, but uyitshela ukuthi ukhaphe wena on your interview. But I also have two options. If mhlambe ke soqeda ukumdamba, it's either simniki 50 rand. Uyagibela uye pre, but mawuthi umrapper, it won't be safe umrapper. Bambi taxi pre or simambise pre.
Yeah, angazi kodwa
or ungabuyela naye ngebhasi.
No.
Okay.
Like sothi ngumntwana.
Then simbuyisele emuva somkai 50 rand.
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome. Welcome mfethu. Uzocela uzama ukushaya amabhazi mawehlisa lo mjeda mfethu. Ungangiphonte lapha. Uthi nje mfethu, get on my bus right now, brah. Because this is a bra bus. Uzame nje. Kodwa hey yaphetha zama kodwa. Sisho usho mfethu ukuthi ngikumkhumbule uAaron.
No.
Mkhiphe ebhasini.
No.
Ngeke umkhumbule. Uhappy la ukhona manje.
100%.
Senze ngiqala nokuposta nami.
Yeah, like senze official ku Instagram, like social media nje. Yo,
I know it's fine mfethu. uAaron somsondeza manje ukwazi ukuthi umtshele umchazele yonke into sisiwami. And I wish you all the best. Angazi ukuthi uzoyendlisha kanjani, but as you are saying ukuthi hayi la ukhona uhappy. uAaron bengakaze kubhalela ingoma. No. Mhlawumbe bese ibhalile awazi.
Anginandaba manje.
So would you go back if angakubhalela ingoma?
No. I made up my mind.
Mayingatholi record deal.
It don't depend. It would depend.
It depends. Okay. Good. Aaron, mfethu, how's it? Sure, how's it, right? Sharp, mfethu. Sure, mfethu. Mina nguKing, mfethu, yabo. So ngihleli nomuntu wakho lana, and she's telling us about you, the way you love her and the way you're taking care of her and all of that. So, and she also told us that you are a very talented guy. You are a rapper. Waysethi ucela ukuthi nje before we start anyway, sacela nje usdrophe amaphazi amabili so that maybe even your music can be promoted in our show.
Okay. There's no problem. Should I talk about her?
Yeah, you can talk about her.
Okay, listen. How can you get a man so crazy? You gotta behave. Gotta swallow my pride, I gotta say this anyway. I see the time every time when I see your face. A girl talk love language every time we conversate. A girl is why they always get to screaming up my name. You say you love me and I'm hoping that you never change. We happy and we crying and we fighting every day. Can I really pause? I don't feel guilty about your mistake. Well, you mess me clean when I get hot at the fail. But I hope him barren alone I will never stay. But babu, you know that they'll always hate. When I'm a quack, I don't have a hadi kola paying. Atamele Hanyani could say mo batlang. Chippy when I people to every day. Wano khatlisa ngwana tshwerele rahula weight ke tlhoka mo profita ke nagano file kim la ka tsama yo tsebe pelo ge dula ka choice mahata se ntshwadisa ka tshatseng mapepe bore ba podisi ke le ko patleng thuseng ke bula molato ngwana o ntshapa ka moteng gato I'm cuffed can I get the lawyer for this case this kid sa ka ke get away from it taste ga ke tsame ke tlhabang khatla I'm not playing games a shebo motle ka ga batsa lutlile ka playing yeah
My sister kunento afuna ukukutshela yona.
Okay.
Sister mtshele.
What's up?
I'm dating with Junior. Yeah, he's my official boyfriend.
Mtshele.
Yeah, like I don't want you anymore.
What do you mean, Sansanji? Because you said we are coming here to the left for an interview and everything.
Mtshele, sister, Mtshele, everything that you told me from the start. Yeah, don't hide anything. Mtshele, no.
Like, you don't have money.
Yeah.
You know, and like you local artist, so I'm not mad.
Fethu, what do you mean? Nalona kopana, one jwetsa gore Fethu tla rata di wekeleng ka teng. So also tla mo ka di camera on jwetsa gore you don't love me. Ka fela motho shebile. What do you mean?
So are mo go wena. Ujiwa ke chomi ya gago Junior no yana. Your friend Junior Kiyena.
Junior,
Yeah,
my
yeah,
friend.
your friend. They
Oh,
met.
okay.
They met ko studio. Sister, khuluma iqiniso. They met ko studio. Asansana Jola liwena, and then yena li Junior beba Jola beba Jana for 4 months behind your.
Ubaqinisekisa khona ngoJola li Junior wena.
Mrap. Unecareer mfethu, unecareer.
Mamela last
Unecareer uthi
mamela uJunior last uzile kithi
Yeah.
wangitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuyenza feature nayo wetha
Yeah.
feature jwale selim rap so lim rap wena so rap wena
So mrap sister.
Ima.
No. Uthi wena umuphi imali? Uthi wena wenza kancane and uthi uyi-local artist.
fethu kanjalo umuntu ngimthengela amaphenti
Wenzakala?
uyibhayigqokile yathengwa ngemali yokurepa
Junior uma ungehlisa umoya mfethu uyilalele kahle le ndaba ungabi because yazi umulo wena manje you get arrested and your career will collapse and I believe in your career hlala phansi waliwe baba wami woza sister
ima si
woza
kancane
hlala musu
bheka la into yenzayo ayikho
Angisafuni like awunamali. You don't have money.
ukuthi everything izoba grand
No.
ngiyaphusha mfethu ukuthi ngirepe
You don't have money.
mfethu ungayenzi into ekanje mfethu
No.
uhambe utshela abantu ukuthi mina nginjani last uhambile ayotshela umama ukuthi in kanti
You don't have money. You don't
Okay.
have money.
Yazi enye into-
Abantu abasafaka ama-weeks sebafaka ama-friends
yazi enye
hall.
into
ilethe ke lo ilethe ungazohleka ilethe lo
Junior
ilethe le
Ufuna ukuhlaza.
Aaron mfethu relax mfethu calm down Aaron
fethu ayikho into engamenzeli yona le cherry mfethu ngimeletha ka
Suya-etha manje, suya-etha. Asetha ukuthi angisakufuni.
yeah mfethu
Yo,
ayikho into enzo kahle phela lo
Asetha.
muntu le yonke into mfethu okay what am I
Ini ama-peanuts. Yo,
thengala amaphenti last
No.
indaba yakho
Aaron awusele phansi mfethu and Aaron yazi mina nguwena
It's your choice.
Can I tell you, my brother? This anger, man, we keep it pepeng. This anger, man, we keep it like my bars. You understand? Not kulo mntana, lo mntana akasakufuni. Yabo? And then you need to accept it.
akasangifuni mfethu enhle kubani enhle angitshela ubani uzofika izozixabanisa
Yo, bro, me I'm a real G, bro. And then when ngikufisela ukuthi uthole record label,
Mfethu.
ukwazi ukuthi ushine parts. Okwamanje, hamba ubhala amabhazi mfethu, alamaphenti, mnika u50 lo.
50 rand yani
Yeah, ukuthi ugibele free.
50 rand yogibela ibri kanjani
Yeah, asambi nawe.
ngama
Like, I'm sorry.
intombi yami uzongiqabanisa
No.
uzongiqabanisa intombi yami le mfethu ufika
No, just accept. Accept.
ngoba ngiyayibona
Wena shaya uJunior wena.
na isheri yami le
No.
bra
No.
into ongakwenzeli yona
No.
wentela yonke into emhlabeni bese
Kuncane. Like mina ngifuna i-friends hall namazipho manje.
oyile ndaba yakho le obhizi hamba nabo
Accept, bro.
obhizi hamba nabo kitso laba abantwana abasnacks la
Accept.
kanti labangani bakho abopulana nabo kitso bayenza ukuthi wenze ispace kanje
Like bengibonisa ukuthi
bakubonisa yini mfethu wenza nabantwana bakanje balale emakhawashi
no, bengibonisa ukuthi kumele nami ngibe the better speech. I can't be dating with you like no.
uzebhiliza le chipe
Hey wena, hey yo. Famba moyeni.
yini mfethu
Famba moyeni.
oh yeah
Ubhala amabhasi dog. Famba moyeni.
usisto sami
Soyikosha. 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 Stella pan sister. Junior. Hey Junior.
uhlala unjani
Hey Junior.
ngizobamba uyilethe nalo ukuthi nawe iboyile
Famba moyeni. Famba moyeni Junior.
bela angisawa ukutambela manje
Akayambele. Nasi into zakhe welcome. Yeah, haya. Oh. Welcome. Niku 50 rand lapha ebhasini. Agoduke. Ngixoshele nale into zakhe mangiqeda. How do you feel to become the real bad test?
Better speech. Yeah, like uyabo manje sengirelieve. Sengizokwazi nje ukuthi ngenze izinto nomuntu wami public. Yabo? Yeah.
Manje njengoba enikhiphela ama-threats ukuthi wena no-Junior will come for you uthini wena about those threats uma ngingakhipha nanengoma ekhuluma ngawe wena leyo nto izokufilisa kanjani?
I don't care. Like I don't care. Angendaba.
Awunendaba ne?
Yeah.
welcome. Ngicela bafethu. Sacela welcome akuthathe. Aku 5% siyokudropa kwi-boyfriend yakho. uJune.
Yes.
Then umthathe welcome 5% futhi simyisa kuJune.
Yes.
Showcase. Ha. Akushubile uyanza ngifuna kuwa ngisho amakhamera ayawa abheka phezulu amakamera cause kushubile. My name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream and this is Angisakufuni. Oh, we had a crazy episode. We had the baddest bitch in the building. Take me home. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Got some demand to Mabuyo, Bampolulu Stars. Welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, bring it up now.
Hey,
what made you go to Why the inkinga usekhathele yisena